All right, Dr. Emer, we're live.
Hey you guys, it's Dr. Emer, and we're doing one of my favorite treatments for eye tightening and for wrinkle improvement around the eye called Plasma Pen or Plasma MD. Remember, I've talked to you guys, there's lots of providers online that say don't do this treatment, it's dangerous. It is dangerous, but it needs to be done in the right person's hands. And what I mean by that is we can get amazing results with this. I mean, I've treated every skin type, black, Indian, Hispanic, mixed ethnicity, every skin type with this device with the right prep, skincare prep and planning. We combined, our patient just had a CO2, which she should actually have the Zimmer. Is the Zimmer on?
Yeah, Zimmer's
Give
cool.
it to her, please.
Hit start on
Yes,
it.
I want it on so she can be holding it, she'll be cooling. So give her the cold, hold the air on your skin, just on your, even on your face. I just want you to be cold. We gotta get cooling on you. So we're using this to tighten around her eye. We just did the Madonna lift, which is CO2 on the upper parts of the eye. Now we're doing the plasma pen on the lower parts. This will limit her downtime and still give her a lot of tightening here. The key, you guys, is the right amount of contact. So we are doing, look at the arc right there. We're contacting the skin very briefly, very brief. And you want to do that safe, so it's safe. Turn to the right a little bit. Perfect, just like that. And you want to use a polarized headlight, like I'm doing, so that you can really see. I mean, I could see this to the millimeter on her eye. Can't do this without it, in my opinion. What are they saying?
We have people on here, no one's talking, but I wish they would talk to us.
On Instagram?
Instagram.
Okay, just go one more row. You're going to go real close to the eye, just slightly. Go a little bit closer now to her lid.
What do you like to use afterwards just to enhance the results?
So, I really like, my refit eye was actually designed to help us heal. Hyla B for hyaluronic acid pumping, anti-age serum, which is our stem cell. And then I always tell people our Aerify kit that we use are on the face. Once a week, you use a very small amount of the illuminating mask on the eye. It really helps color and it tightens the area.
Guys, we have some good plasma and Aerify results on our page, so check them out. Is this to tighten the skin? I'm looking for melasma treatment.
This isn't for melasma, this is for tightening.
Oh, cool. Tighten your skin.
Okay, so that's done. Show them really quickly what the dots look like without the light.
You see all the little dots that pen created.
And I'll show
They're
you
going to scab off, they're going to peel, and it's going to tighten. If we look really closely, when it goes on this side, you'll see every time there's a little bit of contact with the arc, there will be some tightening of the skin. What is the name of this treatment, guys? This is our plasma pen. We're doing a non-invasive way to tighten the eyelids. Our patient does not want to do an invasive way such as a blep. And we didn't do the Madonna lift beforehand, which is our CO2 around the eyelids for additional tightening.
So now we're on the other side. We're going to tighten here.
Does this treatment help get rid of under eye bags?
It does. It's not as good as the surgery, but it definitely will improve. We did a bunch of CO2, so I don't want to go too low on this side. We're a little bit lower on this side. So go ahead and give me the future. We're going to go closer to the lid here, you guys can see. See how close we are. That's the thing about plasma pen. You can literally go right to the lid margin because it's millimeters. Millimeters. Perfect. So this way, good. So we're going to keep extending this out. On this side we did a bunch already with the CO2 over here, so we don't need to go. Go ahead and wipe the upper. You don't have to go as low there. That side, carefully wiping. So we're going to start again. And you guys can see that arc. See?
Where are you guys located in Minnesota, guys? We're not in Minnesota.
Minnesota?
Nope, that's one place we are not, guys. We are in LA, New York, and Boca Raton, Florida.
I've never been to Minnesota for this.
Yeah.
I've been to Duluth, Minnesota. It's very cold. So you guys could see
So what?
each of these little
What is a
scabs.
360, guys? We're probably talking about a 360 high def
360
lipo.
lipo is full body lipo from front to back. Every area treated 360 degrees. So today we're talking about her eyes. And this is a lot of my younger patients choose to do this over a strong laser. Because it just helps, you know, some people don't need as aggressive on their eye. And it's less downtime. So we did the laser up here, so you guys can see we don't need to go as far on this side. And each of these little dots are going to scab. Jordan, how long would you say the scabs last?
Probably only about 4 to 5 days, I would say.
Yeah, somewhere 3 to 5 days, depending on what they got going on. Obviously, you want to keep it really moist. Use the Refit Eye from Emer Cosmetics. There's a new eye product from Anti-Eyes that we helped collab with that is a stem cell product, so you can use both of those. And also, everyone that gets eye treatment should have Upneek. It helps lift the eye. It's an eye drop. It's the only FDA-approved eye drop for tightening the eyelid skin. So you combine Upneek with plasma pen, which is such a smart idea. Because it works. So that's what we'll do for her. All the way to the lid margin. Go a little further out on the crows. You guys can see small arcs.
Positive tightening.
Anything else there? A little bit further. Smile as big as you can. Smile if you can. Okay, relax. Perfect. This is fractional ablative. It's basically a CO2. It's very vocal. You know, it's a radio frequency plasma, but you're doing all the dots, so it's fractional. Usually these little spots. Smile again. Okay, relax. Follow up the close to a little bit on the side. A little further away. What? What?
Can we keep it alive?
Almost. Just want to finish and you can show. Good. Okay, so now go ahead and show her the right off her eyes. And that is the end of the plasma. You guys can see all the dots. Take a look here. It's all going to tighten up. We're going to get a really great result. That's the end of her acne scar and anti-aging treatment plan. Thank you.
Great. All right. Thank you, guys.